First adventure are zucchini boats.
The kids just love them.
A little olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Then I have a ½ pound of sweet sausage and a ½ pound of spicy sausage. And we're just going to brown this. When I'm cooking for my kids, I really try to expose them to different flavors so that they grow up with a more diversified taste and open mind about food. And this is so easy. So we're gonna keep this sausage moving. I'm going to add a little bit of minced garlic, 1 clove. Chop, chop. I have 1 small onion. And then while that cooks down, we're going to cut up these tomatoes. I have 2 vine-ripened tomatoes here. And if you can get them, use them, they're juicier. This is a 1-pan dish. Your spices are in your sausage, so you really don't need anything more than a little salt and a pinch of pepper.
I'll let this cook down about 4 minutes while I get started on some vegetables the grandchildren will love.
I'm going to cut these zucchinis into my little boats. And then I'm just going to make a little tunnel.
And I'll add this zucchini flesh to the mixture.
This meat is looking really good. And now, let's make a topping. Parmesan cheese, and I have mozzarella, and we're going to mix all that together. ½ cup of Parmesan, ½ cup of mozzarella. And I don't like a whole lot of breadcrumbs, so I'm going to use maybe ¼ cup, and that'll give it just a little crunch. And then, just a little parsley. That will give it lovely color and a little lovely flavor. There's probably 2 tablespoons. Done. We're just going to put a little bit of this mixture in every boat. Delicious. And now this topping, I'm going to just liberally pour over these boats. 400 degrees, 20 minutes.